Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. Today I'm looking at a closet today and I'd like to talk about lighting inside closets. There are a lot of closets that are very dark and don't have light, and people want to install a light fixture, which is very understandable. However, there are some rules that code weighs in on this, and you need to be familiar with those rules before you go placing a light fixture in the closet. So to begin with, there are areas that no light fixture can be placed in, and those areas are the storage areas of the closet. So what are those storage areas? So from starting at the floor of the closet up 6 feet or to the rod is considered a storage area, and that is from the wall to 24 inches out. So it's 6 feet high, 2 feet deep, and that area can have no light fixtures in it. So in this case, it would be here and it would be here. So you can't have a light fixture in those zones, 2 feet deep and 6 feet high. Now above the closet rod, 12 inches or the depth of the closet shelf. Generally, it's very popular to have a 12-inch shelf at the top, but it can be deeper. It could be 16, it could be 24. So whatever, minimum 12 inches, but if your shelf is deeper, then you have to go to the depth of the shelf. And that extends all the way up to the ceiling. So you cannot have a light fixture in that zone, 12 inches or the depth of the shelf to the ceiling. So that right there kind of X's out a lot of space in most closets. Now, the type of lighting also plays into this. So, in no cases can you just have a bare incandescent light bulb or LED light bulb. All light fixtures inside closets have to have covers that are surface mounted. So, if you have a surface mount LED or incandescent light fixture, it needs to be a minimum of 12 inches from the shelf away. So if this is the shelf, it's 12 inches, it needs to be 12 inches and then the light fixture. So that, in this closet, you can't really do that. Now you can put it above the door, but it also needs to be 12 inches away from this. So maybe it can work. Now, if you don't have the room for that, you can do a recessed light, and it can be LED or incandescent, one of those can lights, and that can be 6 inches. So you can cut that distance by half. So 6 inches away from that storage area, and then the light fixture can be installed. So it would be tight, but maybe it can work. Another option is fluorescent, and fluorescent can be surface mounted, and it only needs to be 6 inches away from the storage areas. So maybe that can work. But in no cases can we put a light fixture inside a storage area, and in no cases can we have a bare light bulb without a cover on the fixture. Well, I hope this has been helpful. You can hit the thumbs up button if you've found this helpful. We also put out videos like this on a regular basis, so if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be notified when we put out something new. And it's a lot of house knowledge and just including simple repairs that many homeowners can do themselves. Well, have a great day, and bye for now.